Okay, so this is how the long block comes. Does not come with the exhaust gasket or with the intake gasket. Do, however, get the water pump, get an oil filter, crank pulley, get the oil cooler, your knock sensor. Does not come with the spark plug, or it comes with the spark plugs, does not come with the ignition coils. And it doesn't come with the flywheel or the pilot bushing. If you're replacing one of these engines, a Nissan engine, you get a long block, you have to replace the pilot bushing. It's something you get separate. That's where the transmission slides into. And that's what you get for about $6,000.